of the lime is very sour. You understand? So you have to taste it and see if the sugar and the lime has balance. If it doesn't, then you add more sugar, okay? But to prevent all of that, that's why we got what? The Mojito what? Syrup.